Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to remove or end a room in Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we make content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So to create a room, it's pretty easy. As you guys can see, there's a create room button right below status. Just click on create room and just, as you guys can see, this setting over here, and it's gonna ask you for start time, and it's on now, but you can change it whenever you want. So I'm gonna start a room right now, and the room name is gonna be Witchy Kevin. Create room. And as you guys can see, I can invite my friends as well. Like, I can click on invite, or I can just copy that link which is at the top right below Witchy's room and paste it in other people's messenger or wherever I want, and they can join from there as well. And once I click on join room, then I would be able to join room. So as you guys can see, I just created my room, as you guys can see at the top, Witchy room. So if I want to close this Witchy's room, then I can just click on it, and then this setting pops up, and I can click on the gear icon at the top, click on it, and then there's a button called end room at the bottom. You can just click on end room and then wait for some time, and boom, my room has been ended and removed. So yeah, that's how you remove or end a room in Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next for future. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.